Hello all, and again an unpacking of a vintage nightgown and cover set. Well, it's kind of bashed in, but I think it will be okay. The reason, by the way, why I'm always cutting open etc. Off screen is because I need my concentration not to cut in my fingers or in the package. So that's why. Okay, I have opened it, but I have not viewed it in yet. You get the first view. I hope this is correct item. Yeah, it's white, and most of them are white because they're uh, supposed to uh, present innocence, romance, etc. But let's take a view. Oh, again, I have to cut a little bit off screen. Well, the sub. Ooh, definitely washed it because I already smelled the. Sorry, it's well meant. I have a sensitive nose, but it's clearly freshly washed with fabric softener. But I still have to wash it again with my own fabric softener because this is very intense. Don't. I think nobody will have problems with that, but as I said, I have extra sensitive nose. So, okay, this is the, let's see the coat, and I think the centimeters are not the centimeters. And it means probably will not fit. You can ask for the centimeters and they give them and you think, hey, this will fit in centimeters. But as I said, sometimes international centimeters are not international centimeters. And to be honest, it's a very nice set, but I don't think it will fit me. But I'm going to wash it with my own fabric cleaner, and I might or might not be able to show it to you. Well, hello. Yes, I fitted in it, and that already was surprising. But yeah, Houston, we have a problem. It's very tight around the chest area. And by the way, this one is for fun because it came with a belt, but I don't think this outfit has a belt. So the belt is probably from something else. And so I'm going tinted and like a nice bow outfit. Oh, and because I had to pull a little bit, my braid has gone loose. But anyway, it's a wonderful set. And maybe I should adjust the angle a little bit so you can see it fully. Like I recently learned from the jeans when I totally thrifted out it. It's a wonderful set and it's exactly the style I like, but I'm constricted upstairs. Not upstairs, but up here. I know the centimeters. I asked for the centimeters and they gave them. And I thought, yes, should be okay. But little measurements, difference, etc. And it's tight. And I don't see in this kind of model a way to extend the material creatively, like I sometimes do with other kinds of sets. And what I'm going to do is going to keep it, think about it. A little addition, I suddenly realized that it might be the same case as with the pink one, that it's my build. So the space for chest starts too high on my body and ends too soon, so it's too high, and that could be solved, especially for the nightgown, by extending the straps. So it might not be that desperate. I also saw in the video look for the belt, and I checked. There is indeed
space for a belt, but it's a weird place, right under the chest, or in my case, a little bit too high. So I'm not definitely going to use that belt, but that means that it's about the same material of the nightgown set, and it might be used to create some extra space on the right places.
But it might up ending selling it on Vinted because I want to keep it myself, but it's not practical, it's not comfortable. But it's a wonderful. Oh, I have to stop. I'm kind of disappointed. Um, Nobody's fault, just bad luck. But that's why I always have a small budget for these things. Then, when it's not totally as you expected, you can deal with it and maybe even sell it on for a nice price also to make somebody else happy. So, mm, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye!